हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल साल्फिन। मेरा नाम प्रतीक है। इन फ्यूचर वीडियोस वी विल कवर मोर अबाउट बेसिक्स ऑफ स्टॉक मार्केट, म्यूचुअल फंड्स and your questions on personal finance. In this particular video, we will be covering the question of timing the market, which is the question which haunts most of the investors and traders. Guys, you would often have heard a story about stock market when it's put it out as a joke, where any newcomer would ask, what is the way to earn money in the stock market? To which any veteran would say, it's simple, buy on lows and sell on highs. To which a very surprised newcomer would ask, yes, but what's the way to do it? How we do it? And to which any smiling experienced veteran would say, that's the most difficult thing to learn about the stock market. Hearing this story, we may ask, what do we know and what have we learned from this stock story? It's simple. The buying low and selling high strategy seems to be the perfect marketing strategy to earn high profit. But the question would always remain, what is the exact timing of buying and what is the exact timing of selling? The answer is, you would never know. Even after looking at the past calculation, is just little more than a random guesswork, which is not at all useful. So the automatic next question is, what is the right approach? How do we look to bridge this gap? The right approach for any trader or investor would to not look at the stocks only on the basis of where market is headed, but also look at the quality of their investments, the business they're investing in through fundamental analysis, and looking whether it is fairly priced or not through technical analysis. We'll be covering these both in our future videos. And for other people who are not fully invested into researching on the stock market, the possible next steps could be to choose from 3 to 4 equity funds, do their long-term analysis in terms of returns, invest steadily, and counter the volatility. So what in the end, what do we want to say is that for any investor, we should look to invest in equities over a long period of time, which is, though coupled with volatility, can be countered through regular investments and regular SIPs into stocks or mutual funds. Thank you for looking at the video, guys. Do let me know if you have any feedback for future videos in the comment section. Thank you so much.